Hi, Carl Eriksson here from Svensk Elektrod. Today I'm going to be showing you a demonstration video of the new VANTA Workstation for portable XRF. So I posted this video on Friday, but that was in Swedish, and I got a lot of requests saying, hey, could you please do this in English as well? It would be great for our customers and for our sake to know how it works, etc. So before jumping ahead, I'm just going to tell you that this video will be a little bit different than the last one, because in the last one I was using the desktop, the PC software to control the VANTA. Today I'm going to be using the handheld device app, so today I'm going to be using an Android, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, here it is, the VANTA Workstation. Nice blue color, and actually the VANTA is already mounted in here, so you can see it poking out down there through the hole. You'll notice that the lid is pretty heavy, so it's a lead enclosure, so it keeps the X-rays staying in there. You have a color a lighting for when the X-ray is activated. On the right hand side you have a latch for locking the lid in place, and on the back hand side you have a latch for disconnecting the VANTA. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So if I use the latch on the back hand side, the VANTA pops right out. And then if I want to put it back in, I just slide it in and I listen for the click, and then it's all set. So as I said, I'm going to be using the Android app. So I log in, and once in this scenario, you'll be needing the USB Wi-Fi dongle that's supplied by Olympus or us if you're in Sweden. But once that Wi-Fi dongle is in place, you can access your local network with the VANTA. If you don't have a local network accessible, you can always create a hotspot on the device and then connect directly to the device with your phone. So anyway, it'll pop up like this. You can see the serial number of the unit if you have multiple units, and that it's available, which means it's logged out and you can log in remotely. So we'll hit that and then go in and log in with the password that you have for the particular user, and then you're in. So as you can see now in the bottom hand left corner, the device is ready, which means that the lid in this case is closed. So if we open this, you can see not ready, interlock lid. So that means that if I were to open the lid during an exposure, the exposure would stop. So this is one of the security measures with the actual unit. So what we'll do here is we'll just take a sample. This is some sort of stainless steel sample, and we'll put it on top here inside the cabinet, and we'll close the lid, and once set ready, we'll just hit the play button or the start exposure button. So right now we're in alloy mode, so what'll it do? It will then compare towards a grade library of our specification. Now it's just a wide European norm standard grade library that it's comparing to, and we can automatically on our phone see the results as they turn up. And we can see the standard deviation, the 3 sigma in this case, getting lower and lower with the time of the exposure. So we see everything as it happens on the screen. We can even switch between the 2 grades that it's currently comparing it to, the 4310 and the 4301. So you can also see the light flashing in front, in the back, and on the Vanta itself. So this is a pretty cool setup, because this is not only possible to do while in a lab situation like we're in here on my not so very tidy desk, but it can actually be done in field, because in the back of the workstation you can actually pop in one of the extra batteries from the Vanta and use the field station or the work stand in the field, rather than using the previous version of the field stand. So whether you're on the lab or in your field, this setup with a phone controlling your Vanta and the workstation, either powered by battery or by net supplier, which is right now, is a really good solution. Yeah, I'm going to show you how we quit this one. So we just open it, and you can see directly that the exposure had stopped. Thanks for watching. Hope it was an interesting video. Have a good one.